Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and Arlen, the Patio Gardeners, and for the last couple years we've had a community garden plot at this community garden in Chicago. Now this year we've actually timed out of our lot rental, so we do not have the same lot. So Tiffany, what are we doing back here?
We're here to kidnap our sorrel.
Dun dun dun! What do we have growing here in our old plot?
This is our sorrel that we thought we had dug up last year, and then we discovered a couple weeks after we had put to bed that it was still growing. And somebody suggested in the comments that they're actually perennials and that we should take them back in a pot, which we didn't do. But
here we are, spring again, and here it is.
So we're gonna take it, we're gonna dig it up and put it in a pot and put it on our patio.
Alright, we made it back to the patio with this very difficult to dig up sorrel here. So we've got on the patio, hopefully it survives. We have next to it, Tiffany, what is this?
This is our spearmint from last summer.
Yeah, we had this in a pot, and it was looking like it was going to die, but it's coming back.
Yes, it
Showing
survived
signs of life.
the winter. We did take it inside, and it suffered because there just wasn't enough light because we live in Chicago. But it's going to make it another season.
It's going to make it another season. So we are going to make it another season too. Even though we're not going to be gardening at the community garden plot, we are back on the patio. We're the patio gardeners after all. So this is kind of a return to our roots this season. But we have some fun stuff coming up. We're not going to be doing exactly weekly updates. We have some really fun, interesting videos planned. So stay tuned. Feel free to subscribe. And we're glad you're back with us another year.
Yay,
Bye.
bye.